260, twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine and I'll be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Tyler. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 to a
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel guys. So tonight we have a car meet going to, but damn, look at this ambient lighting, man. If y'all like the ambient lighting, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe and comment down below, man. But for tonight we're just going to a car meet real quick, just wipe her down because the rain was like drewing just now, so I just wipe her down just now. So right now I'm about to leave out, so I'll catch you on the way. Alright guys, so right now I'm on my way to the car meet. I think they're just having probably a little park and chill, but we're gonna get some footage of the homies reacting to the 535, man, because they haven't seen it for a while. So I'm just gonna bring it out tonight to a little park and chill, and then probably catch some people reactions, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Damn, that turbo sounds good when it's spooling. They say they love it, man. Huh? I know we're probably kind of early pulling up to the meet, but we're still pulling up, man.
How many people here?
Who is that?
Yeah, them boys checking it out, man.
Man, you're reviewing the new Top Tornado. You're reviewing Keem's Top Mount 535. He had to go big turbo to compete with us.
Got the cap.
Now we're ducking him forever.
Oh, forever.
Not running this guy ever again.
Yeah, big turbo. I ain't running that guy.
You got them boys over there. Yeah, that's what I need. Alright guys, so we and the boys going to the gas station right now. Gonna get some gas and then we're gonna go downtown. And also all of us getting gas right now. We're about to head downtown. Got the homie with the Benz. Got my boy, if y'all remember, this the 330 I put the dome pipe on. So this is downtown Palm Beach, man. If y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And leave any comment down below that y'all would like to ask. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.